Hi dear Libra, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 29th of September and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same and it has the potential to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Libra, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. We have the Eight of Swords. Someone can't stop thinking negative about the situation between you and them. It's like they're in some kind of mental jail. And the more they're trying to break this jail or think positive about the situation, they're not able to do that. Let's clarify the Eight of Swords here. We have the Four of Wands, the Knight of Wands, the Six of Pentacles. Okay, it's like this is someone who is daydreaming about having some kind of marriage or commitment kind of deal with you. They feel like having equal give and take of energy in the situation, but all they're getting from the situation is on and off, in and out, immature kind of unstable kind of energies, and this is making them pissed off. This person is pissed off with you, pissed off with the whole situation. They're not able to understand what exactly they're doing wrong in the situation. According to them, they are doing everything right. According to them, they are putting in the effort and energy to make things work out. But the more they're trying to fix it, the more it's going south. Okay, the more it's going in a totally different direction. So they feel like you are not that much mature, or you're not that much into them the way they are, or you are not capable of handling a relationship. Okay, so it's like the blame is on you from their side, right? Okay, the phone is going down. What is wrong? It's always Libras and their readings. Either the camera is falling down or something is happening. What is wrong, honey? Let's see what this person, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Seven of Wands. You just want to, you just feel like you're keeping yourself protected from the situation. You feel like keeping your guards up. I think you're not open to communication or open to, any kind of resolution to the problem here as of now. You are being defensive. Let me clarify the Seven of Wands as your feelings for this particular person or energy. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Page of Cups. Okay. It's like you feel like not showing your emotions too much to the other person. I don't see you completely closed off to the situation. You might be closed off to the idea of having something stable or something long term or something like marriage or commitment as of now, right? And that is why you feel like keeping your energies open towards this person, but not completely, not fully, because of whatever happened or whatever is happening between you guys is making you think about the future direction of the situation, and you feel like whether you should put in the effort and energy in this direction or not. You're confused. So that is why you feel like keeping your guards up, being a little defensive towards the situation, being open to the situation, but not too much. It's like putting on this mask of I care for you, but I don't love you to the level of dying for you kind of a thing. You are going to make sure with your actions that this person is getting the message that you are not interested in something more than maybe a little bit of more than friendship kind of a deal as of now. Take it how it resonates with you. One of you is wanting marriage commitment. The other person is not that much open to the idea of that as of now. And one of you is taking the other person as very immature, very on and off, in and out, and not so good about this situation, about long-term partnership. Let's see what they want. Five of Pentacles. They want to come out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of a deal. They want to come out of this victim mentality, victimhood that they are currently in. And I guess this person wants to put in the effort and energy from their side at least to make sure that everything is on track between you guys. Let me clarify the Five of Pentacles. But this person is feeling left out in the cold. This person is feeling like you are not into them as they are, or you are not that much invested in them. That is making them feeling like lost in a situation. Wow. This person wants you to invest in the situation completely. You know, because they think that you are having somebody else or something else going on behind their back, and you should apologize to them, you should open up to them, you should talk to them, you should tell them openly and honestly whatever is going on behind their back. And they're completely feeling neglected or rejected by you in some way, and they want you to talk to them about your honest feelings, and be as honest as you can from your side, so that they can move forward or stick around. But they definitely want to come out of this feeling of feeling left out in the cold and feeling left out by you. And they want to put in the effort and energy in the right direction. Basically, they want to fix it with you, but before fixing it with you, they want to know what you are up to and what you want from them. That is how they want to proceed further in this connection, in this situation. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Strength card. I think you just want to take a step back, and you just want to be courageous, and you just want to stand in your power. You just want to be in this energy of, okay, let me think about myself first, let me think about my life, my energies and my things, and before jumping into any kind of conclusions regarding the situation. You just want to take your time before taking any kind of life changing decision. Yep. Either you want to explore other options, or you want to explore your life right now. You just want you just don't want to be in this particular situation and stress the hell out of yourself and not enjoying your life to the fullest. So basically, I guess right now you are in this energy of enjoying your life as much as you can, with new people, new situation, new connection, or simply keeping your options open, or exploring other options too. You are not going to say yes to or no to anything or anyone just like that. Libra, you want to explore more, and there's nothing wrong in that. But if because of you somebody is getting stuck in their energies and they're not able to let you go, and you want to let them go, you can tell them honestly and openly. But if you're keeping somebody stuck because you are not sure, because you are stuck, that's the highest form of disrespect towards other energy and towards yourself as well. Please don't do that if you're doing it by any means. Okay, right. So you are in this energy of waiting and watching what's best for you out of everything and everyone that's around you right now. Okay. Let's see what's coming towards it till the 29th of September. What could be the possible outcome of the situation for you guys, Libra? Five of Cups. I do see some kind of disappointment in this area of your life. Maybe again you might be busy in in exploring other options, other things, and the person that is kind of truly meant for you, you're going to miss it out with them maybe. Okay, let me clarify the Five of Cups here, Libra, but this is something that's not making sense to me as of now. But might be it's making complete sense to you. Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, it's like somebody ending a chapter with you and telling you to move on. So it's like going to be sudden, unexpected kind of turn of events, which is going to lead to, I don't care about you anymore, I don't want to be with you anymore, so goodbye. Even if you are the one who is saying goodbye to somebody, or somebody else saying it to you, it's going to bother you, it's going to hurt you, it's going to disappoint me, because me, not me, it's going to disappoint you, because it's kind of a situation where even if you don't want to be with somebody, you want them around you in some way, right? And when they're leaving you, when they're leaving the situation, it's going to be kind of disappointing you. You might be in this energy of, okay, they told me that they love me, then why they're leaving me? They should not leave me, they should be with me, right? They should stick around. Okay, so you might not like somebody leaving you, and it is going to disappoint you. I am not saying that you're going to feel like this is the end of the world or something, but you're going to feel disappointed by like by something or someone for sure, because you're relying on them. Like, this is somebody who is going to love me, maybe not for the rest of your life, but they are going to stick around even if I'm there or not for them. So this is going to give you a little bit of disappointment, like, no. So somebody is going to burst the bubble of illusion that they're living in, that they're going to be with you no matter what. So it could be you bursting somebody's bubble, or it could be them. But there is a sense of disappointment, even if you are the one leaving, or even if somebody else is leaving in the situation. And you are going to be like, okay, after whatever is going to happen, you are going to finally feel like, okay, I have to get my shit together and have to start moving on in a totally different direction, and I have to like protect myself from being used or abused again. So finally you are going to get your shit together and start moving in the different direction, but it's going to be difficult. I'm not going to lie to you guys to make you happy. So it's like the guidance for you guys is slowly but surely everything is going to come back on track. It's all about you understanding the real value of self love, self care, and self healing, and your own respect, plus the other energies respect. Okay, so if you are putting something or someone on hold because you are being selfish here, that okay, I should keep this person on hold, or I should put them on hold because might be I'm going to like them in the coming future, and they are uh, uh, like they are seeing a future with you. It's nonsense, it's disrespectful. Don't do that. It's either you like somebody or you don't like somebody. Don't play these kind of games, Libra. If it is happening with, if it is happening from your side, if it is happening with you, respect yourself enough to walk away from the situation and never look back. You're not an option. You're not a like a toy or something that people can use and throw, right? So take care of yourself and take care of this kind of energies, right? So this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.